Greetings, my dears. Today I'll show you how to make a matchstick keychain. I'm in high demand for them, but I'm short on time. But I decided to change the design a bit. We'll need 4 matches. Half of them need to be cut off because they won't fit in the mold. Today I'll be using UV resin that I'm embroidering the first layer. This resin needs to be poured in stages as it dries poorly. More precisely, it may still be liquid inside the piece. Therefore, be sure to dry both sides before pouring each layer. I've already poured and dried 2 layers. Now let's pour the 3rd layer and light the matches. Since unbroken layers won't look very appealing, we'll place them in the mold and let them dry. My keychain will be double-sided, so we'll do everything mirror image. I'm not a big fan of this resin because it has an overwhelming aroma, but sometimes when I'm short on time, I have to use it. It's also a lifesaver when I have a rush order for a small item. What resin do you prefer? I prepared blue and holographic glitter. We mixed the former in resin and applied it to the dried edge of the mold. We'll be drying this layer at an angle. It's a shame I could only show one piece, but I'll definitely be photographing several versions of this keychain soon, and see what designs I can come up with. We repeat all the same steps with the second form. After drying, pour out the resin and add holographic glitter. Although I was thinking of doing it a little differently, but the child distracted me. Next time I'll definitely try it and demonstrate. Spread the glitter over the surface and dry. If there are any uneven areas, you can pour another layer. Although it won't make a difference, since we'll be sanding it. I remove the pieces from the mold and begin sanding. If something isn't dry enough, it's best to hold it in the lamp for another 2 to 3 minutes. For sanding, I use regular files and discs, abrasives 80, 100, 320, 800, and 1200. The surface must be perfectly smooth and scratch-free, so that there is a shine and the keychain is transparent. After processing, remove any remaining dust and apply a thin layer of UV resin. Spread it over the entire surface and connect the two parts. If any resin leaks, remove the excess. Fix it evenly and place it in a UV lamp. To give the perfect shine, I use a nail top coat. I drill a hole and screw in a screw pin. This is the handmade keychain I made. Thanks for watching, subscribe to support the channel, and I would also be grateful for your help with the materials and the dream. Bye everyone.